Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna delving into a common issue that many of us have faced, the notorious P0128 code. The good news is that it's not an emergency, and you can continue to drive your car in the short term. But, of course, it's always best to get it checked out sooner rather than later. So, grab a drink, get comfy, and let's get started. So, what exactly does the P0128 code mean? Well, it's actually a fairly common code that indicates that the engine's powertrain control module has detected that the engine has not reached the required temperature level within a specified amount of time after starting the engine. Often, the intent of the P0128 code is to indicate a faulty thermostat. If you're experiencing the P0128 code, there are three main symptoms to look out for. Your check engine light might come on, your engine might take longer to warm up, and your engine temperature might drop while driving at higher speeds. Now let's take a look at some of the possible causes that can trigger this code. The most likely cause is a leaking or stuck open thermostat. This can cause the engine to run too cold and trigger the code. Other possible causes include low engine coolant level, a faulty cooling fan, or faulty temperature sensors such as ECT sensor, IAT sensor. These sensors monitor the engine and send information to the engine control module, which regulates the engine temperature. So, let's take a closer look at how to diagnose and fix the issue. There are several possible solutions to consider if you're experiencing the P0128 code. Here's what you can do. First, you should check your coolant strength and level to ensure there's enough coolant in the system. Next, make sure the cooling fan is working properly and replace it if necessary. After that, check the engine coolant temperature sensor and intake air temperature sensor to ensure they're operating correctly, and replace them if necessary. If everything checks out but the problem persists, the thermostat may need to be replaced. And if you drive a Nissan vehicle, check for any technical service bulletins, as the ECM may need to be reprogrammed to correct the P0128 code. So, that's a wrap. If you're not sure what's causing the P0128 code, don't try to fix it yourself. Take your car to a qualified mechanic and let them handle it. And for more information on other trouble codes, check out the OBD Codex lookup tool. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.